Hey guys, so today we got to move. We're moving to a town about, 30-40 minutes south of us. So I got to pack up the trailer, do all those little things that needs to get done. All right guys, so I think we got it all loaded up. As you could tell from the video, it went kind of quick, but it is what it is. So now what I want to do is, I just want to check my connection. Why not? Let me turn on my lights here, my truck. So I can check it as I walk. All right, so you can see my running lights are on. I want to check my slides that they're in. Tires are good and inflated. I got the covers on the freshwater in the black. Power's off, water's off. Gray water holding tank, that's all, it's all disconnected and got the cap on. Now, believe it or not, guys, can you get pulled over? Good question for my audience. Can you get pulled over if you don't have the covers on your tanks? Yeah, you can. They see you like that and you're kind of dripping water and doo-doo everywhere. Yeah, they'll pull you over. So want to make sure everything's capped up. All right, running lights, everything's good. Backslide is in. I need a new sticker, man. It's already kind of wearing out. It is like, I'm gonna guess probably 100 degrees out here in the Little Rock, Arkansas area. Okay, back kitchen is locked up. Back door is locked, I know that. Steps are in, tires are inflated. See, I gotta get this fixed. All right, running lights, door is locked. Everything is stowed. Just gotta close this last little compartment. Lock it up. And all lights are good. Lights are off up there. Awning is put up. All right, truck looks good. I think we got it, guys. So now I'm just gonna give it a quick brake test just to make sure everything's good. We'll get out of here. All right, here we go. All right, guys, you can see we're in the truck. Emily, my wife, and Leia, Princess Leia.
Pretty girl.
Princess Leia didn't help me pack up nothing.
Pretty girl.
Must be nice to be a German Shepherd.
Pretty girl.
All right, so we're done there. Now, before I take off, what I want to do is kind of type in where we're going. That way I got it on GPS. I don't have to worry about nothing. Okay. 43 minutes.
Head south towards South Main Street.
All right, seat belts. Now what I want to do is just give it a little brake check before we go. Definitely want to put on my tow haul mode is on. And just give it a quick little tug. Slam on the brakes. Everything's good. Let's get out of here. right, guys, we're gonna get on down the road. All right, guys, so we are done setting up the trailers. You can see, check it out. There she is. There's my boy Josh over there next to us. So yeah, awning is out. Oh man, what a nice place here. I mean, it's like super wooded. I'll be honest, guys, I've never really stayed in a real wooded area like this. But yeah. Emily's inside. She said, oh, the heck with this heat. I ain't having that. Leia followed her too. Leia's not an outside dog. So yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta open up that back kitchen. And yeah, there we go. We'll come hang out here when the sun goes down a little bit. We do have some bees back here. And I want to say that they're mud daubers. Yep, they are. Might be some wasps in there, I don't know. They're kind of, but those are mud daubers right there. So that one might have been a wasp. So, yeah, you see it right there, right on the washing machine. That's a mud dauber. All right, so that is it from Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Dean RV Park. Deem, D-E-A-M RV Park. We'll do a little review when I, tomorrow or next day when I get the drone up and going, and we'll get that. So, all right, guys, signing off from the casita. We'll see y'all on the next one. Later.